Hello and welcome to IFIN Introduction. So IFIN is a cloud-based solution. Through a website on the internet, the users can look into the application um, and they can fill in the basket according to the items that the customer wishes to finance. There are different ways of uploading the basket. We're using here an upload of an Excel sheet. We also have a drop-down list where we integrate with the items that the retailer has, or there's an API integration, or they can even fill it up manually. So different retailers will have different ways of uploading the basket. Once we have the items uploaded successfully, we can go to the next page where the user can verify that the items have been uploaded correctly. Then the customer will be able to select which bank they would like to do the financing with and select the applicable product. In the screen, the customer will be able to see the charges that the bank will be charging the customer, and if the customer is happy to pay those charges, they can go to the next screen where they are asked to provide their ID number. Once the ID is provided, we send an API to the bank to collect the information on the customer, including his mobile number, and we send him an OTP to verify that he's actually submitting the application and he wishes to move on with the application. On this screen, some banks ask for additional data for their credit scoring and even provide the customer with the ability to choose which installment date they would like to have the payments being made. Once this is selected, we go to the next page where the customer will be able to select the monthly installment. So as you can see here, for 12 months tenor, the monthly installment is 229 riyals. If we increase the tenor to 36 months, for example, then the system recalculates the installment immediately to 80 riyals. If this is convenient for the customer, we click submit, and at this point we send an API to the credit bureau to collect the information on the customer credit report and see if it matches the criteria specified by the bank and do all other calculations. If yes, the decision will come back as approved. If not, it could be referred or rejected. Here we have an approved application. We click OK. Here the bank appoints the retailer as the agent to deliver the items to the customer. On this page, you will see a contract summary, and this is the one that will be entered into between the bank and the customer. The customer can see all the details again and confirm that he's happy to move on. If he's okay with that, the retailer will click or press the print contract, and the system will automatically populate all the information regarding the customer and the items that are being purchased and the financial section, financial details, and all other information will be populated automatically into the contract. And once they are ready, the contract will be even signed and stamped automatically by the bank. And this is a regulatory requirement really for Oman, because the central bank requires that there is a wet ink copy of the agreement. Of course, the system can be modified according to each jurisdiction to ensure that the process matches the regulation as well as the market demand. If you can see the contract, and includes all the details of the items, and basically it's a financing contract between the bank and the customer. Once the customer signs that contract, the retailer will click complete, where we send another OTP to the customer to verify that he has signed and read and approved and agreed to the terms of the agreement. Once he gives the OTP and click verify, and a third API will go from our system to the bank's core banking system to create the deal therein, and the bank can start collecting the installments as per the agreement. And then the retailer staff will hand over the customer's copy to the customer and will scan and upload the contract to the core banking, so that the bank will have a digital copy of the contract. That's it. Thank you for listening. Bye.